Hi, this is Ian Thompson from IT Turning Point. Welcome to one of our short, sharp points videos that we make with regard to small elements within Microsoft Office that people have asked us about. This one is about Microsoft Excel, and we're in Microsoft Excel 2013 here, and it's to do with creating a simple drop-down list so that people can choose from a selected list and not from what they want to enter into a cell. So in this occasion, what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple list. So I'm on a sheet just now, and I'm just going to over here type apple, pear, banana, peach, cherry, and we'll have melon. So it makes you hungry for fruit. So we have this list of fruit in here, and what I'm going to do initially is I'm going to just select the list using my selection cross, and I'm going to right click in that list and go to define name. Now in the define name box, I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it the fruit underscore lunch underscore list. So that's my fruit lunch list. Now you can't have spaces in it, so if you're going to put a space in, you put an underscore in instead. And what it tells me down here is it tells me the sheet that this list is on, and it tells me the fixed cells that this list is going to be in. And I click OK. So I've now got a list of my fruit lunch list. And you can see because they're highlighted, they're now appearing in the name box up here. Which is great, because if I'm over here and I wish to jump to the list, I can simply click on it and it takes me straight to the list. The list obviously doesn't need to be here. It could be further along the sheet, or in a column that you've hidden, or in a series of rows that you've hidden, so that people can't play with it, but it is there and accessible to be edited and updated. So let's go across here now, and I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to put choose fruit. So in this particular one, I've got a heading of choose fruit. I'll make that bold and underline it. And underneath, I want to put a drop-down list based on this created list. To do that, I click on where I want the drop-down list to be, and I'm going to go to the Data menu and to Data Validation. And in here, in the Settings tab, I'm going to say I want to have a list in here, and the source of the list is going to be this range of cells here. And there's our fruit lunch list. I can then put an input message in, which is just to let people know what to do. So I'm going to say, please select from established list. And it's not letting me put that amount of characters in. So I'm just going to put please select from list. Please choose a fruit from the established list. I can get more in this bottom section input message than I can in the title. The title has to be a wee bit more succinct than I was trying to put in. If I then go to the error alerts, because people tend to ignore information that comes up to guide them on what to do, and they try to put their own information in, we can actually choose stop, warning, or information. So I'm going to choose warning on this occasion, which gives me this little warning symbol, and then here I'll put incorrect data. And in the error message, I'll put please only select from established. You can see my typing's misbehaving today. Established list. So what have I done? In the settings, I've set up that this box is going to contain a list from the fruit lunch list over here. In the input message, which is going to come up on the screen when you click on the cell, it's going to say, please select from list, please choose a fruit from the established list. And if you put an incorrect entry in, it's going to put incorrect data, please only select from established list. And I'm going to click OK. So you can see now, off that cell, everything's fine. As soon as I click on it, I get my information message. Please select from list, please choose fruit from the established list. And there is my list. And I can choose from the established list. Now, if I want that list to be on all these cells, I can simply get my fill handle and I can fill it downwards. And now each of these cells has that particular data validation on board. But what if I want to enter something different that's not on the list? So what have I not got on the list that I could possibly put in? I haven't got an orange, so I'm going to put orange. And if I hit enter, it gives me my incorrect data warning message. Please only select from established list. Do you want to continue? And you say no. And then you have to choose. You have to choose from the list. So you can put other data in, but it's really not a happy bunny, and it gives you a wee error message coming up. So I hope that's been useful for you, and it's simply a way of creating a drop-down list very simply and very easily inside Excel. And we are asked for that quite a lot. And please keep your eye out for our other short, sharp points videos that just give you wee tips on how to do certain things. They are on our webpage, www.itturningpoint.com, on the main page, and you can sign up for our newsletter there and keep in touch with what we're actually doing. Many thanks for watching and listening. Hope to catch up and hear from you soon. Thanks very much, Ian Thompson.